Tashtile, and warm greetings to all our friends in Australia, particularly New South Wales. I understand that the Australia-Tibet Council is joining the global movement to raise awareness on the Pension Gendrichu Jinyima, who has been abducted by the Chinese government at the age of 6 in 1995. And since then, he has not been seen. We don't even know whether he's alive or not. So I want to thank the Australia-Tibet Council and also members of the state legislature of New South Wales and Tibetans and Tibet supporters for taking up this initiative to raise awareness about Pension Rinpoche's whereabouts. Unfortunately, the response from the Chinese government is that he is well and he doesn't want to be disturbed. We know that the decision taken by the Chinese government is political in nature. You all must have heard before also when His Holiness said in jest that if the Chinese government is really serious about reincarnation, they should study Buddhism first, and then maybe they should look for Mao Zedong's reincarnation first, and then maybe Deng Xiaoping's, and then maybe the Dalai Lama's. So in that sense, a government who does not believe in religion, a government who doesn't believe in the concept of life after death, wants to be responsible for reincarnation of lamas. And as I mentioned before, you all know it's a political decision by the Chinese government to select their own Pension Lama, disregarding the choice of His Holiness the Dalai Lama, by abducting him, completely incapacitating him in fulfilling his religious responsibilities, and eventually use the Chinese selected Pension Lama for the recognition of the next Dalai Lama. That there is no ambiguity about their political motivation, and every one of us knows about this. The forced disappearance of Pension Lama is one representative case of so many other Tibetan political prisoners also suffering different states of torture and incarceration in different prisons. Therefore, we seek the international community to help us in creating more awareness on Pension Rinpoche Gendrichu Jinyima, and putting pressure on the Chinese government to tell the world community about the whereabouts and the well-being of the Pension Rinpoche, and to reinstate him in the religious leadership that he is born to do. That is our request, and thank you very much for your gathering here and spreading the awareness on Pension Rinpoche and seeking his release. We need your support more than ever before, and our struggle is based on non-violence and mutually beneficial solution and a lasting solution based through dialogue. That's why please continue to help us till the Sino-Tibet conflict is resolved. Thank you very much for all your support in the past, and I look forward to seeing you all sometime during this year or next year, whenever it's convenient or conducive for me to travel to that part of the world. Thank you so much.